Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, equipped with the 6.2 liter V8, as you can see on your right hand side. Now we've got all the stats. Yeah, this is a pretty nice pickup truck, but of course, just a couple of months, the 2022 refresh is going to come out, and a lot of this truck is going to change, especially on the interior. But I still wanted to take a look at it and see how it fares, especially because I have taken a look at the Silverado RST and the Silverado High Country, and I wanted to see how much or how little they differ. Anyhow, I of course, as always, have a full-on review about this GMC Sierra. If you want to see that in full, in the top right-hand corner is the link. Talk about the interior, the exterior, how it drives, if it's worth the money, and everything you need to know about this Denali. Without further ado, let's hop on in and go drive. We have the brown, I think it's called dark walnut interior in here, not the black one. So it's a little different than normally. But yeah, let's turn the ignition first, so we can open the window, because we have the sports package with the sport exhaust, the air intake in here. So it just ran for it's not a cold start, so it's yeah, like I said, it ran for about an hour before. So it's not quite as violent as it normally is, but it's still fine. We don't want to listen to music, thank you so much. And we of course have our digital rearview mirror, that's regular. Of course the angle isn't right for you. It's for my eyes, not for you, the camera. And then we got a digital one, and now you can see too. I would say let's go ahead and drive. We also have, let's turn on the ventilated seats to level 2, not too much because level 3 is quite loud. And yeah, but what I wanted to say is we also have a highway POV drive where we test the adaptive cruise control and the handling, and we also have a night POV drive where we test headlights and the high beams, and we also do a little acceleration run. So we have everything covered if you're interested in this Denali. I'll put you the playlist, or well, actually I'm going to spread those POV drives throughout the video on the top right hand corner. If it's not there yet, then that's because not all of them have been uploaded. It takes about a week for me to upload all those videos, so just check back later or subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Smooth segue, wasn't it? Of course, sometimes I'll stay quiet during these videos because I not only want you to be able to see how it is to drive it out of the first person, I also want you to be able to hear how it is to drive the Sierra Denali out of the first person. So occasionally I'm just going to go a little quiet so you can get the full immersive experience, I guess. But here we can go for a little acceleration run. Let's see. Yep. That looks good. And can't go too fast. But it sounds good. It sounds good. The 6.2 liter V8 with the sports exhaust just sounds right. I love it. It's a good combination. And of course the ride quality is trucky, so there's a lot of movement involved when riding over uneven pavement. But it's very comfortable still because it just kind of gets absorbed by the smoothness, I guess. It's not harsh or anything. It's very, very comfortable. But these trucks always are, so can't go wrong with that. We also have a sunroof, of course, which we can open. And I always love these big mirrors we get, these big side mirrors in these trucks. You always see so much, and then you go to like a compact SUV or a hatchback afterwards, and you're like, this is tiny, I can't see anything. Well, you can see like the whole road easily, just like a few feet behind my car. You can see all the lanes. My truck, sorry. It's very, very nice. Very nice. Coming from Europe, turn right on red is so nice. It saves you so much time being able to do this. And it just eases traffic. Such a good thing. That just very, very rarely is, you can very rarely find it in Europe. So, yeah, every time I get to turn right on the red, not turn red on the right, I appreciate it more and more. Hey, next week's press car. Well, actually the car I'm going to pick up in 2 hours. Not exactly that one, but Cadillac XT4. It's going to be next week's car. I wonder if you can just squeeze through that alley we just saw. You could probably do that if there's a lot of traffic here. Although you still have to merge on this road we're turning on, but overall I still think it's faster sometimes. Not right now, obviously, but it can get a little congested, so nice to know that there's an alternative road to that. High-speed POV here today. But that just sometimes happens in these city POV drives, right? You end up behind a truck, and I think even further up ahead is another slower truck. So that's fine though. Gives us more opportunities to test the Sierra Denali at different speeds. But we get the 10 speed here, so it's always comfortable. It's always quiet. It's always smooth. I don't want to talk too much about it because I talk about that in depth and in length in the full review. But this drivetrain, the 6.2 liter V8 gas V8 with the 10-speed automatic, is just really good. Really, really good. Like it a lot. Yeah, that guy was even slower. Yeah, that was a terrible decision to change lanes there. That's on me. I thought the truck was turning off, but turns out he doesn't. And now we're stuck behind all of these guys. But we can pull up on this Explorer here. And that should be good then. Alright, there we go. Enjoy the view. Downtown Toronto. More and more skyscrapers coming in, like every day it feels like. See another one being built on the left. I think that's actually 2 or 3 coming up there. And if I'm correct, one of them is going to be super tall, so 300 plus meters. That's like 900-ish feet. Maybe like close to 1,000. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. Somewhere around there. Also reviewed a Colorado ZR2, and we also have a Sorento review. I'm just going to keep plugging all the reviews I did, if you don't mind. So if you're interested in those kind of cars, also have those reviewed. Jeep reviewed, Wrangler, I mean, obviously. But no, before I know you, like I said, reviews every single week. So plenty of content on this channel. I bet we can use this to show you the difference between the digital mirror and the regular one. I'm just going to go lower, so that's about my point of view, I think. So you see that's regular, digital, regular, digital. Big difference, big difference. So much wider FOV here with the digital rear mirror. Love those. And another building going up here soon. And as always, we're just going to quickly stand here because I'm just going to drive on in about a minute. But yeah, that concludes this POV drive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. And like I said, we have a lot of content about this Sierra Denali on the channel, ranging from more POV drives to a full-on review. You find them on the screen somewhere now. And yeah, like I said, I hate that General Motors vehicle do that. Stop honking at me. I know that I left the engine on. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.